Hello all the dessert lovers. So here I am up with a new video and it's Rasmalai, everyone's favorite. So let's start. I'm here taking 2 packets of toned milk. Let the milk boil and then we'll make a paste. In a bowl, take 2 spoons of vinegar and 2 spoons of water. Make sure the proportion of vinegar and water should be equal. Now the milk is boiled. We have to put this mixture into the milk and mix it properly. Now the milk is converted into paneer, but in the terms of Rasmalai, we call this mixture as chhena. This is our chhena. Now we will steam all the water. Make sure your mixture should be completely dry. Here the mixture is dry. Take a cotton napkin and squeeze the water properly. Now take a milk, add some saffron into it. Mix it properly so that the color turns yellow. Now add some cardamom powder. I'm here adding some dry nuts. You can add dry nuts according to your choice. Mix the batter properly. You can see the mixture is boiling. Let the milk boil. Now add 2 cups of sugar. Here I am adding around 100 grams of sugar into it. Even you can add sugar according to your choice. Now mix it properly and you can see your milk is completely ready. Take a frying pan, add 2 cups of sugar into it and add around 5 to 6 cups of water. Now you can clearly see our chhena is completely ready. It's dried properly. I'm again and again repeating, this should be dried completely. Now you have to make this dough very soft. So with the help of your palm, you have to make it soft. Just rub the dough properly. Make sure you use your palm for it. As you can see, how am I doing? Now the dough is enough soft. Now we have to make small balls out of it. Make the small balls and put that balls into the frying pan, into the chashni. Cover the pan with a lid and you will observe that the balls have increased their size. Now to stabilize the size of these balls, we will take a bowl with many of ice cubes and put the chashni into that ice cubes and then remove all the balls into that bowl so that the size of balls should be stabilized and do not increase or decrease again and again. And now after 20 minutes you have to squeeze all the water out of these balls and put that balls into the milk. Make sure you squeeze all the water out. Now the rasmalai is completely ready. According to me, you should freeze it for at least 4 hours. And our rasmalai is ready. Take a serving bowl and convert all the rasmalai into it. Here I am adding some dry nuts into it. It's completely optional, but I think the rasmalai is incomplete without dry fruits. You can add dry fruits according to your choice. I have also added some saffron. And the plating is done. Now let's serve this. And guys, this amazing rasmalai is ready. You can serve this in front of your guest and you will win many hearts. Do let me know in a comment section that you liked the video or not. And till then, bye. Meet you next week.